Hey guys, and welcome to another welcome to day 3 of Vlogmas. We have the puppies in tow. We got Kayla's dog Finn, we got Tuck J back there, and we are heading to see Santa Claus with the puppies.
We're so excited.
We're so excited. Anyways, we'll get back to you when we get there. Yeah, you know the drill.
Ready?
Oh, PetSmart, here we go. We gotta go see Santa. We're honestly so lame.
Christmas photos? Yes, please. Right. Can I get your email?
Okay, it's K-A-Y Finn.
Yes.
Look, it's Santa.
Is it the same email?
No, different emails.
Gotcha. Okay.
You want him down there?
All right, Tucker. Oh, he's got
He's like, who are you?
Okay.
See, there you go. Like, I don't know about the picking up thing. Jesus. I don't know about that other Santa there.
Hey, Tucker,
So cute. I hope so. It keeps trying to focus on me when I'm trying to take a good
Quit it. Good boy.
Oh, I love it. Yeah, maybe get this. Yeah, if we can see if you'll not like stick it in the
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing up.
You a winner and I'm so glad to be yours. You're a class on your own and moving me. The way you talk to me, I swear but you are my sweetheart. Alright guys, so tonight I am going to go over my get unready with me routine. But anyways, like my face wash me routine, my nightly routine. There we go. Alright, so basically, let me go ahead and throw this hair back. Tie all of this away. Alright. So I just turned some hot water on, and then I'm going to take this Yes to Cucumber Soothing Calming Cleansing Water. And this is a water-based makeup remover that I really love, and it smells clean and fresh like cucumbers. I showed it in my October favorites video. Go and get you some, super cheap, and it lasts forever. And it's got the cool little pump on top, which makes getting it out really easy. So I'm just gonna take a cotton pad and pump on some of the makeup remover and get it kind of soaked through. And then I like to take my eye makeup off first. And like just so I can really get like the heavy duty part of my makeup off first. And then I'll go in on the rest of my face. Take the lipstick off. And just take the last little remainder of the makeup off. Okay, all right, and then we're going to take this. I also had this in my October favorites video. This is the Wish Cleansing Oil. So this is what it looks like. And you're just gonna take this, and it's a cleanser, a couple pumps on there, and spread it all over your face. A little bit more. And then you're gonna take a washcloth, run it under the hot water, squeeze it out. And then I like to just and it just feels so good, you guys. Really calming, relaxing way to end the day. And it also gets that last bit of makeup off your face that the cleanser didn't get off. And like, see how much is left on my face that this oil gets off? Like, when I'm saying get this, get it. All right. And then I will usually just take some kind of moisturizer to go over my face afterwards. Lately, I've been liking this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel, which is really good. I was using a more higher end, and the Neutrogena is more affordable. So it comes in like this little blue gel stuff, and it goes on really nice, and it's kind of a gel. So it's not quite so like sticky and thick and stuff, which is what I really don't like in moisturizers. So yeah, and it's really good and affordable, and you can buy it at your Walmart, your Target, wherever you go to buy your stuff. So we're just gonna take a little bit of the Neutrogena moisturizer and rub that all over our face. I cannot say how important it is to moisturize. Like, it keeps wrinkles at bay, and it keeps your skin feeling nice and smooth and clean. And I make sure to like dab under my eyes when I put this on, just because the skin around the eye is the most susceptible to wrinkles, as you can see on my forehead, because I raise my eyebrows a lot. But yeah, that is my simple, easy 3-step, 3-product routine to get ready for bed. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short tutorial. And again, here are the products: the Yes to Cucumber Soothing Makeup Remover, the Wish Cleansing Oil, and the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel Moisturizer. Thank you guys so much for watching my 3rd day of Vlogmas. I hope you enjoyed it. Definitely got some more cool stuff coming your way tomorrow. Yeah, so keep watching. Thank you so much. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.